Tragic news coming from Patna during Chhath celebrations on the Ganga Ghat. We can confirm to you that 18 people have been killed in a stampede at the famous Adalatganj Ghat on the banks of the river Ganga. Our reporters on the ground are telling us that at least 9 of the 18 who died were children. Over 50 have received serious injuries in the chaos. A large number of the dead and injured are women. The tragedy happened when a bridge made of bamboo collapsed when devotees were returning after offering prayers on the first day of the Chhath Puja, a festival that pays tribute to the sun god. Tragedies of this kind during the Chhath celebrations are common, yet fail-safe arrangements elude governments in the state.
यहाँ तो देखे कि यहाँ की सरकार यहाँ की प्रशासन ये व्यवस्था नहीं किया है। आपकी रात का नाम पूजा करने के लिए आ रहे थे।
For a live update on the situation at this time, I want to go across to Giridhar Jha, my colleague from Mail Today. He's joining us from Patna. Giridhar, what can you tell us about the situation on the ground at this time? How many people are seriously injured and how has the response of the authorities been to this stampede?
Yes, administration has swung into action after 16 people died and as many injured in the stampede at Adalat Ghat in Patna this evening while the Chhath devotees were returning home after offering prayers to sun god. Efforts are on to find out if any other body remains trapped in the debris of the bridge, the bamboo bridge that collapsed. But there is a sense of panic, there is a sense of anger in the city over the lack of arrangements by the district administration. That ghat where the tragedy took place was swampy and the administration had only built a temporary makeshift bamboo bridge for the convenience of thousands of devotees who had turned up for the puja.
Let's listen also to what Lalu Yadav, chief of the RJD, said just a short while before now.
इतना उपेक्षा बिहार सरकार ने किया है छठ व्रतियों के साथ, पटना वासियों के साथ कि इसको माफी देने पर भी माफ नहीं किया जा सकता है। पुख्ता इंतजाम सरकार को करना चाहिए था, पुलिस करनी चाहिए थी, रेगुलेट करना चाहिए था अगर कमजोर इसका पुल है तो, और ये सब छोड़ दिया राम भरोसे। और सुना कि मुख्यमंत्री और मंत्री सब स्टीमर लेकर के सैर कर रहे थे, लोग अंदर बैठ के पूरा मंत्रिमंडल आनंद ले रहे थे, उठा रहे थे। और जो ग्रास रूट पर जहां मजबूती जहां देखनी चाहिए थी नहीं किया और काफी जान गया है और कितना जान जाएगा अभी तो। जो मिसिंग होंगे लोग, जो परिवार के लोग, वो लोग फिर पीएमसीएच हर जगह अफरा तफरी मचने का बहुत दुखद घटना है। जो छठ व्रती हमारे भाई, बच्चे, बहनें, बच्चे मरे हैं उनके प्रति हम सद्भावना व्यक्त करते हैं, श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं और सरकार को एक क्षण भी रहने का अधिकार नहीं है।
Yadav there demanding the resignation of Nitish Kumar. Giridhar Jha is with us. The opposition targeting the Chief Minister, calling it a failure of the state administration. How much of this had to do with the fact that there were a large number of people in Patna at the Ganga Ghat at that time, and how much of it can be attributed to a failure of the state administration?
This is the biggest festival in Bihar. And lakhs of people, tens of thousands of people converge on the banks of Ganga every year. In last few years, the Ganga has drifted away from the city to a few kilometers in main parts of Patna, which has left the devotees to travel a distance to go into the river. Most of the ghats are swampy and it's very dangerous to walk on them. So this year what the administration had done, that it had erected some bamboo bridge, makeshift bamboo bridge for the devotees to travel to the Ganga. But these bridges are very weak and they could not cope with the burden, the weight of the people who were there at the time of incident. According to one estimate, about 2,000 people were on that bridge when it caved in.
This is very, very unfortunate. 2,000 people on a bamboo bridge, very clearly. Nitish Kumar, who likes tom-tomming his development and administrative credentials, his government failing and completely ruining the festivities for all these people who've travelled from different parts of the country to be in Patna at the time of Chhath Puja, which is the biggest festival. Giridhar Jha, for joining us from Patna for the time being, thank you very much.